Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. Ninja 10 cup glass carafe pitcher replacement for coffee bar Brewers machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Enjoy a delicious cup of Joe fresh brewed in your glass carafe. The Ninja glass carafe is specially designed with an ergonomic handle, a beautiful stainless steel accent and dripless pouring. The Ninja 50 ounces glass carafe is a tempered glass that is perfect for either iced or hot Ninja coffee bar coffee. Ninja pitcher is BPA free and for your convenience dishwasher safe for an easy to cleaning. Lid not included. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.